Hi besties, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my space. In this video, I am going to show you guys how you can easily turn your synthetic kinky extension to Afro buck woman hair to do mini twists, micro twists, any one of your choice. Any of kinky of your choice can serve, whether it's nipple dot expression, darling, rosemary. For me, I am making use of rosemary product. So all you have to do is to get a bowl of water, okay, and then start to dip the kinky extension inside the bowl of water. In this video, I am still going to show you guys how you are going to use this kinky to make your micro twist that when you are done with it, no one will detect that this was actually done with a synthetic kinky. They would think it's human hair kinky that you used to do it. So this is it when I am done. If you want this to, I've not dipped this one inside hot water. You see the difference between both of them. The hot water will make it to reduce the stiffness of the kinky to now be more soft, more lush, that it will look just like or come out just like woman hair kinky. Now that we are done with that process, now let me show you guys how you can easily do your micro twist yourself with kinky hair. Remember, we've done the synthetic hair extension, kinky extension to my hair. If you don't know how I was able to part, guys, if you are making your hair yourself, first of all, you have for it to be easy for you to be easier for you to get that perfect pattern. If you did what I actually showed you guys before now, I've dropped that video, the third video from this one. I'll still share the link to that video, how you can easily part your hair for your mini or micro twist. Follow that process to part. When you do it like that, part it into four like that, it's easy for you now to part it in section and then braid. So I'm actually done with the first part. I started with the front section, so I'm done with one section. Now over to the second section. So when you part your hair, then if you want to do, you want the base to be knotless, you are free to do that, but for me, I didn't do knotless, I just did boss braid. So all you have to do, just use the kinky to start off with the hair, then you do boss braid a bit, just a little boss braid, then you divide your natural hair into two, and then put it like, let's half of it to each part of the kinky, then you start twisting that. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to explain. Like when you part your hair, whether you're making a mini twist or a micro twist, when you part your hair, use the kinky to start the braiding. Like the kinky will serve as 1 and 2, and with your hair it will serve as 3. If you still want to divide your hair and use it to do your normal boss braid, you're still free. So this is just a beginner. If you're a beginner, this one will be easier for you. That was the reason why I use this process to show you guys how you can easily do your micro twist at home with our kinky hair, okay, our synthetic made kinky hair, okay. Then when you twist, when you have to boss braid it a little bit, and then you divide the natural hair into two, making it now you have two equal parts. Then you start twisting it down all the way down. So you guys see where I was done with the front side. Now over to the back side. When I was done with the front side, I started with one section of the back side. Remember, I sectioned my hair into four for easy parting. If you want to have that perfect pattern, it will be easier for you to section your hair like that. Please go back and watch the video where I showed you guys how to easily part your hair in sections. That will enable you to part part it into smaller pieces, like smaller sections, smaller bus into smaller buses. I think that's the right way for you to be able to get get it right. So when you braid it a bit, like I said, you can also start it with knotless braid. If you want to know how you can easily do your knotless braid with your kinky hair, let me know in the comment section, then I'll do a video on how you can do that. So guys, if you watch this video to this point and you know you've gotten any value from this video, please go ahead and hit that like button, share with your family and friends. If you have any question, you are free to ask me in the comment section. Here in this channel, I share videos on how to make your own hair, simple hair hacks you can do, how to ventilate hair, how to make closures, frontals, full laces, how to braid wigs, how to braid hair, everything concerning hair. That's what I do in this channel. If this is the first time you're coming by my channel and you want to see more of my tutorial videos, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that once I upload new videos, you will be the first person to get notified. So guys, this is how far your baby girl has gone. I hope you guys are learning. Remember, I did this myself on my own hair myself using my kinky made human hair made how do I put it, Afro bob human hair that I did at home. In this video, I've successfully showed you guys how you can easily turn your synthetic kinky to human hair, then use it to do your micro tweet. I hope you guys got value from this video. Let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful to you, and if you want to see more of my videos, let me know in the comment section. I'll drop a video on how you can easily style your mini twists, different ways you can style your mini twists. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.